Well, we can count on Mother Tuckers. They are open. It is freezing. I mean, freezing is an understatement. It's under 10 degrees. Everyone's like closing early because it's too cold. But I am being a trooper and I am really packing in the most of my last couple of days living in Pennsylvania. Let's get out of this freezing weather. Oh my gosh. Look at this tree. It is $28 and 25% off. Look at all this. Oh my gosh. I am like freaking out right now. First of all, this Napco, $75 and 20% off. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Now, I know I normally bash the biscuit material, but I am gonna go ahead and pick this up. It's $6 and 25%. All right, let me speed it up a little. That's cute. But what's going on with these guys? $6 and 25% off. I am gonna grab both of these because they're too spectacular not to. I'm ditching the basket. I'm just putting it down because I feel like I'm about to do all kinds of stuff. $22. Oh, that's so cute. Look, it's got the little snowman and the whole Howard in there. And the little drummer elves. What are these? These little turtles? Little kissing turtle dove. Oh, I guess turtle doves. That makes sense. $30 though. I can't do that. Captain. It's really fun. 10. What about this one? This one's $6. That's really fair. But a little lackluster compared to the other stuff I've found. Now, what's going on with this? This has my attention. Whatever this grab bag is, it's $5 and 25% off. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this and sell it as a grab bag as is. Now, also, there's more. It's like I came in just when they restocked, I swear. This is like really lucky. I'm no longer upset that my day didn't really turn out the way I thought it would. Look at that. $40. I can't do that. That's kind of a fun bag. That one's only $4, but the one's got some damage. Now I'm kind of trying to tackle so many things at once here. These are quite unique. Seems like he's got hardened salt or something in him though, so I'm not gonna mess with them. Oh my gosh, these, I thought they were googly eyes almost. These are really fun. I think I left these here last time. I can't remember. Let's see, how much are they? $14. Yeah, it's a little close for me. Oh, I don't want to miss anything down here either. Oh, totally crazed. Little skier. She's fun. Oop, I'm sorry. Let me put you down. Put you back, I mean. God, the last thing I need to do is make a mess right before closing. A lot of fun sets up here too. Bicycle. Love that. Oh, gosh, I'm just trying to be super quick and super picky. I don't want to start just grabbing stuff because it's about to close. Oh my gosh, this snowman though. $15 and 25% off. That's pretty fair. And it's really hard to find a matching set of these. For $11.25, just because I've done so much already today, I am going to leave them. But what is this little surfer? That's unique. All right. We're almost done. $6. Oh my gosh. What? Look at this. A light switch cover. $12 and 25% off. He is fantastic. I'm also noticing this little... Oh my god, look at all these little doodads. That soldier is to die for. Look at that face. I'm gonna get him too. All right, I really need to speed it up. What is going on here? $60. Is that Kamar? Huh. Interesting. I don't have time to do as much research as I'd like. What is this bank? He's got a lot of paint loss, but it's very cool. It's a wall pocket too. And these guys are fun, but have a little bit of damage. Now this bobblehead, I'm really nervous about shipping that. Just because his eyes, it's really hard to find him with the eyes still intact. So I am gonna leave that. And this is really cute, but I just picked one up down the street, a little Rudolph. $12 and 25%, a little too close. What about these little Merry Christmas dishes? 15 and 25% fair, but I'm starting to get a little weird. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Again, I'm nervous about that material. What is happening here? Oh, not what I thought. Let it go. Now, I can't stop thinking about this tree. Let me do the math on that right quick. Oh, nope, it's already got a little bit of damage. I don't want to mess with that. Oh, but the little radishes, $18. Even with the discount, that's a little close for me. And the Fitz and Floyd. Oh, this funny looking cat. He's missing his fuzz. Is he a single shaker or just a figurine? He's got a little too much wear for me. Put him back. Okay, almost done. This guy is broken. And what about this little funny thing? He's only $4. Squeaky. Oh my gosh, we have to get that out of principle. And this is definitely a harder to find one. $8. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. I can't remember who makes these, but I know enough to know they're hard to find. And especially in the ornament version, the angel figurines are hard to find enough. And I had one of these not that long ago. $8 is super fair, but there's a new old stock store that sells them in bulk for $5 each. $35 for this angel, that's so cheap. I usually sell her for about 50 something. I'm coming back to this booth one more time before I get out of their hair. I love the angel, but I'm nervous about the caroling book. Oh my gosh, I can't get over that Napco reindeer planter. All right, the one other thing I can't stomach leaving behind for that price are these little decorations. The snowman has some damage, but even this Santa blow mold one alone, I mean, $6 and 25% off. I cannot argue with that. The doves are quite spectacular too. I'm just starting to become super picky since kind of gotten a little out of hand. Oh my gosh, is that the walrus from Alice in Wonderland? How cool. I'm also forgetting that I almost picked him up. He has a little damage on his foot though. I don't know if I can see past that. No, I'm just gonna let it go because it's got the damage. And I've gotten enough.
I made it out at $4.58. I spent $113 in there. It's looking a little sketch out here, but I'm gonna try and see what else is open. I have found some incredibly unique stuff today. I am like so excited. I don't even care that it's 5 degrees outside. I'm at $272 and I'm gonna keep it rolling. Let's go in.
All right, I got my basket. I am ready. This booth always gets me with the reproductions. I see it from afar, I get really excited, and then I get up close and realize it's not what I think it is. What's happening over here? I think this is just a single shaker, yeah. Ooh, and more little ornaments. That one's cute. It's got a little snow baby in it, $8.50. Let's see if there's any more. Those are really unique too. There's like, oh, I'm like out of focus. Let's see. Bag of clowns. Santas. Yeah, since it's got the little snow baby in it at $8.50 and 20% off, I'm gonna grab it. Good grief, even more. This one's really unique. Not sure what's going on there. Oh, it's missing its wings. What is this Weight Watcher thing? That's hilarious. Oh, it's a thermometer. Wait, 50% off everything marked unless marked firm. Huh. Seems to work all right. It is pretty chilly. So it's $10. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna think twice about it. It's so weird.
Yeah, 70 degrees, that's correct. And I don't see any repairs, and the paint's all there. Here's another one of those little Santa squeaks, 18, that's pricey. I am going straight for the little Santa Claus salt and pepper shakers. I left them behind at Mother Tucker's. However, these are 2 of the same, so I'm gonna leave those 2. And I love this girl. I think I looked at her last time. Why there's no way for $3 I would have left her here. It's been a while since I had something like this, even though it's got some damage. I feel like for $3 I kind of can't go wrong. I mean, it's just a little paint loss on the collar. You could do something creative with it and even put some jewels or something on that. Yeah, why not? And this lead dog is quite different. Germany. It's really unique. I already know I'm gonna go down the street after this and find all kinds of stuff, so I'm trying to reel it in just a little. Look at that Santa. How unique. 1940s chalk Santa, $22.50. That is really different. I mean, even with the damage, that's super cheap. I've never even seen one quite like that. So I know I could still make money off that, even with the paint loss and the little bit of chipping it has on the side, but I am really trying to stay away from buying any more damaged items. I've gotten a lot of stuff today and I am not done yet. So far, I'm just seeing a lot of stuff I've seen before and a lot of newer stuff. The Fenton cats are quite phenomenal, but a little too close for me. Oh my gosh. Do you guys know what I see? Ah, dang. $30 firm. Snappy the snail. Oh, dang, I really can't justify spending $30 on these. It's really hard to find them with their antennas intact like that. But that's about what I'd get for those after fees. Oh my gosh, I love these little angels. They're missing a couple gemstones though. Now I know that's an easy fix and not a big deal, but I don't like to mess with anything I buy. I sell it as is. So like I said, I'm trying to stay away from damaged goods. What in God's name is that? I have no clue. This is one of those booths where you have to pay super close attention. You never know what you're gonna find in here. It's all different ages of stuff, like every decade. There's some neat stuff hidden in here, but nothing that's really screaming for my attention. Now, these 2 booths are probably my favorite in here. They have really great mid-century items at really great deals. Oh my gosh, look at this sweater clip. That is so fantastic. It's only $4 too. And again, I'm seeing a lot of stuff I like. That's pretty close to something that's up my alley, but I mean, the sweater clip is pretty great. I feel weird leaving that here, actually. It's Mark too. Should I just get this? Patent pending. Wow, that's old. Not sure how well it would sell. And oh, I can see where it's been repaired actually. Yeah, again, a lot of stuff that's really close to being up my alley, but nothing really on point yet. I like these little vintage toy telephones, but I don't think they have much resale value, at least not at $7 in them. Well, there's something you don't see every day. I've never seen this set in this size. $68. This is a very cool planter. It has a little bit of damage and I'm a little nervous to mess with it, but it's really fair price. I'm also noticing the little Lefton Dutch Girl Creamer. Oh, it's been repaired. That's why it's $3. I normally don't pick these up anyway because whenever I do, they sit around for a long time and don't sell for much. Ah, look at this guy. I've had this one before, but I love the bud vase. Unfortunately, this one is cracked. I would definitely get that for $8 without the damage. Oh, look at this guy. How much are you? Not having much luck with your tag. Oh, 24. That's a no for me. See, this is how it happens.
This glass basket is $17.50 and 20% off. I really wish I could justify getting yet another glass basket, but I just cannot. I have 2 in stock and I've bought like 3 in the past year, and they just do not sell. It's unbelievable.
Not bad for 20 bucks. That was a quick trip, but I was kind of hustling and bustling because it's so cold, and I'm not done. I am still going to go to my favorite place. It's officially my favorite place now that Slugworks closed.